Hey guys. So, you're having a rough day then? Well, let me tell you, we've all been there. But fear not, because I've got some top-notch ideas to help you turn that frown upside down and conquer that bad day like a true legend. First things first, let's kick off with a bit of self-care. Treat yourself to a nice cuppa, chuck on your favorite tunes, and take a moment to breathe. Sometimes a little break is all you need to reset and recharge. Next up, get those endorphins pumping. Whether it's a brisk walk, a quick yoga sesh, or a good old-fashioned dance party in your living room, physical activity is a surefire way to boost your mood and shake off the blues. Now, let's shift our focus to gratitude. Take a minute to jot down 3 things you're grateful for today. It could be as simple as a sunny day, a good chat with a mate, or a delicious meal. Practicing gratitude can help shift your perspective and remind you of the good things in life. If you're still feeling a bit down, why not reach out to a friend or family member? A good chat or a laugh with someone you care about can work wonders in lifting your spirits and reminding you that you're not alone. And last but not least, remember to be kind to yourself. We all have bad days, and that's okay. Cut yourself some slack, treat yourself with compassion, and know that tomorrow is a new day full of possibilities. So there you have it. A few simple yet effective ideas to help you overcome a bad day and get back to feeling like your true awesome self. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough people do. You've got this.